related jobs that can make you hundreds of thousands of dollars a year without a college degree. Number 1, electrician. Since everybody wants to go to university to become a doctor or a lawyer, there aren't many people becoming electricians. So because there aren't many electricians out there, they could charge high prices, averaging anywhere between $150,000 to $250,000 a year. Number 2, plumber. Every single building on the planet needs a plumber, even during a recession. That's why every plumber I've ever met is a millionaire. Trust me, I pay them. Their annual income can average anywhere between $150,000 to over $1 million a year. Number 3, my favorite, real estate photographer. Real estate photographers can charge anywhere between $100 to $150 per shoot. Real estate photographers can realistically book 6 shoots a day, 5 days a week. So if they're charging an average of $150 per shoot, that's $4,500 a week, which gives you over $200,000 a year. Guys, it's great to go to college, but it's also great to go to trade school.